goal of this activity is to really loosen up the hips and work on your lower body power. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna get a ramp, you're gonna get a sandbag. You wanna grip the sandbag just like so with kind of the more horizontal handles. And then you wanna start with soft knees. What you're gonna do is you're gonna just gently push the hips back a little bit, and then you wanna kind of jump up in the air, do your triple extension, touch the bag into a clean like this, there. So I'm gonna kind of hold on to the bag, I'm gonna roll it up into that position right there. So you'll notice that it's that, so right there. So, and what tosses it up is my jump. Now as I do this, what I wanna do is I wanna land into a deep squat. So it's gonna look like this. I'm here, I'm gonna get that slight hinge, triple extend, drop all the way down. The bag's actually gonna help me get into a lower position, and then come back up. Just like that. So get soft knees, slight hinge, jump up, land. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.